Yep, we are doing this. We are going to do this. We are going to make an anime tier list. I'm going to make an anime tier list and you're going to watch. So, like, share, and subscribe. And let's get into the video. And obviously, at the very beginning, I'm going to use Naruto. Obviously, I'm going to make Naruto as the number one, as my first, because my skin is literally Itachi. What do you expect? So this anime, it's literally amazing, and I mean Shippuden. Okay, I don't mean the classic one. It's amazing. It's legendary. It's one of the big three. Obviously, it's legendary. Like, keeping everything in mind, I'm giving this S tier. This anime S tier because, like, the characters well written, plot well written. I have absolutely no complaints with this anime except for all the fillers, but you can skip the fillers obviously. And like, amazing story and all the twists and everything, except like understanding the lineage and all the chakra and everything. That was hard at beginning, but afterwards you get used to it. So amazing action, nice. So I highly recommend watching it. But since we are talking about amazing animes, let's see the one that I began with. Like, way back in 2008, I give you Dragon Ball Z. Now, obviously, watching this as a child, this was amazing, and I started watching it from the Cell Saga. So my favorite character was obviously Gohan. Amazing power ranking system, amazing. I think it's called power system. Amazing characters, overall storyline amazing, and this is going directly at number one spot. Like, nobody can take this. This came before the big three, and this got everyone hyped up for anime. So obviously, it deserves like the number one spot in any anime list, literally. And it's so good. And my favorite character, yeah, I told you, Gohan. And my favorite moment is when Goku goes Ultra Instinct. So that was amazing. So speaking of the big three, let's move on to One Piece. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I haven't seen this anime fully, but I have seen it till the Alabasta saga, which was amazing. I love the fight Luffy fought between him and Crocodile, and my favorite was Arlong Park when Luffy goes to fight Fish Boy. It's a funny anime. My favorite character is Shanks. Please don't spoil it, but I got instantly bored. I'm not gonna lie, I got instantly bored from this anime. So yeah, it's B tier for me. I know that a lot of people are thinking nice things about it, but seriously, it's B tier for me, and I don't even feel like finishing it, but I'm going to finish it. And it was a nice experience. Like, those who want to like go for on a long journey, this is the perfect anime for them. Now let's go on to 2000 and I guess 15 when this one was released. Yeah. So from One Piece we are going to My Hero Academia, otherwise known as Boku no Hero Academia. Other than the weird shipping that the fandom does, this is an amazing anime as well. Okay, power system is like quirks, so I don't think there's like a proper power system. So it's just like whoever has the strongest quirk wins, and that's All Might obviously, or all for one or one for all. So like, it's a very weird power system, but other than that, amazing characters, good overall development, and it's lasted for 5 seasons, so obviously like it's amazing. And I'm giving it like, it's my first 8 years, so it's going to be obviously be amazing. Okay, so moving on from young kids who are fighting villains that are over their age, we are going back to the anime that regained my faith actually. Like, after leaving anime for like, I don't know, so long, I started watching anime again, and this was the first anime that I watched after a decade. Yes, of course, I'm talking about none other than Attack on Titan, Shingeki no Kyojin. This, literally, the storyline is the best part. Like, you get unexpected twists, character development is amazing. My favorite character is Levi Ackerman. Not just mine, literally the entire fandom's is Levi Ackerman, until unless you're a Jaegerist. And overall, amazing. It's so good. And this is this is an automatic S tier for me. But I wanted to place it even lower, like in A tier, because the fandom sucks and like they spoil every single chance they get. And this is the only thing I hate about it, like anime watchers, like the manga readers actually. Anime watchers are amazing. Like I have no problem with them, but then the manga readers, they like just spoil the entire anime. So I lost interest in Attack on Titan, but since like it's so good, I'm like regaining a little bit faith in it. And speaking of animes that like I have lost faith in, the next anime on my list is Demon Slayer. Now, overall, it's amazing. Nice characters, somewhat nice storyline, and literally don't this like say anything bad about it. And Mugen Train literally got me crying. And my favorite character is Tomioka-san. Yes, and first is Tomioka, then is Zenitsu. Okay, like overall it's a good anime. Literally the fandom is so amazing, but like then there are the people that suck obviously. And so even this anime is now ruined for me, so I have absolutely no expectations from it. And because that's the problem, once you know how the anime ends, you literally can't expect anything good from it. Okay, like even if you want to watch the journey, it's useless. So like I lost interest in Demon Slayer, but and like even season 2 I wasn't that much hyped as much as my friends were. So I'm just gonna watch it like just to see how the animated version looks like. But overall I'm not that hyped for the anime that much. Okay, so now let's go on to the most beautiful person in all of anime. That's my thinking. You cannot say anything about my thinking. It's Jujutsu Kaisen, JJK. I think that's how you say it. Jujutsu Kaisen. Yeah. So this anime, like at start you will find it absolutely confusing. Then you'll find like making it a little more sense. And then you will look at this face, and then you will want to watch it even more. Like seriously, Gojo Sensei is literally the best looking character amongst all other characters. If I had to vote, Gojo Sensei is literally the best looking. Seriously, look at those eyes, look at those bright blue eyes, damn it, Jesus Christ. And obviously this guy, not just by looking beautiful, this guy is absolutely overpowered actually. Like he has a barrier between him, limitless, nobody can touch him. He's so powerful, he literally says it himself. And it's so amazing to watch this anime. And yeah, Gojo Sensei is my favorite and everything. And obviously favorite moment would be when Gojo Sensei uses domain expansion, like the best. Moving forward to Tokyo Revengers. Just excuse me for one brief moment. Why? Why does this anime have to have a second season? I mean seriously, it doesn't need a second season. It can just end on the first season. I know it ends bad, it ends absolutely horribly. I don't support the ending whatsoever. But please, end my suffering. My lord, I know it ends bad and the dark side wins and everything. But seriously, don't make me suffer more, man. I know, but it sends a very good message. It sends such an amazing message that no matter how much you try to change a reality, the reality cannot be changed. This is such an amazing message. Literally, it's not like I support Kisaki, I love Mikey, I love Draken, but seriously, this anime doesn't need a second season. I cannot bear how much I love it, but at the same time I hate that like it has to continue after suffering so much. Jesus Christ, I don't want to see any of those characters, like they're so good. I don't want to see any of them ever suffer. Okay. That was very painful. Moving on to my most recent anime, which I finished, Black Clover. This is a very like, you will find it boring a little bit, okay, at the start, but after I promise you, after the exams and everything, after the like selection exams, you will love this series. This is going to be your best series. Literally, it talks about discrimination and like hierarchy and literally systems and how people face discrimination. And literally it's like such a good anime. and overall all the twists and all the like turns that it took, I seriously loved it. This is like this can be compared like to Attack on Titan level, and this anime literally impressed Toriyama, I think his name is, the creator of Dragon Ball. So obviously if you can impress the creator of Dragon Ball, literally you don't need validation from anyone else. This is the best anime. Okay, now let's move on to my romantic section, a comedy. This is Kaguya-sama Love is War. I loved this. Literally, this was such a good anime. 12 episodes, 2 seasons per episode. No, per season 12 episodes. Yeah. So literally, like, it was so good to see and watch this series. Like, I absolutely enjoyed every single moment of it. It was psychological, it was comedy, it was like romantic, and it was a mixture of like all the right emotions at the right time. And literally, if you're watching this in sub, my advice to you is you have to be an extremely fast reader. Like, seriously, it's actually amazing. You have to watch it. It's like only 12 episodes, and if you don't find it like interesting or not, it's okay, because I have my second recommendation in the psychological and romantic, I guess, and comedy section, and that is my final anime, Komi-san Can't Communicate. This is literally like just 4 episodes, not even 4, the 5th one just dropped. So like it is so good and so amazing to watch, and like I literally this was like so funny to watch, and this was literally a very fun, it's a fun series. I like fun and comedy, romantic, psychological, mostly not action, not that much, but it's like okay to watch action. Okay, so yeah, this is also A tier for me, and with that I am done for this time's top 10 anime selections. These are my top 10, and as like months go, like I'll do this like every month, and I'll update the tier list every single month. And obviously, like, this is not final yet, so as the animes go, I'll continuously keep on updating the tier list. But for now, this is it. This is my anime tier list. Literally, like, this is my perfection. Literally nobody can argue with it. It's so amazing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.